Hey my gators, this is another how to DIY and save a dime. This is something I want to share with you. A lot of you see these and people just have these for decorations and they're really not using them. Now, with my fennel, sometimes I like the seeds and sometimes I like it to be crushed and more of a not powder but the in between. When making my own sausage, I don't like to have the whole full seeds because some people do not like that. It's kind of intrusive when you bite into a fennel seed. So I'm going to show you how to use a mortar. That's what this is called. They come in bamboo, stainless steel, all types. I love the marble or like the stainless steel. A lot of times if you don't clean the bamboo one right, it can go rancid and mold and all that good stuff. This was gifted to me in 2021 by Naya, and I love it. I want to say I think she got this from Home Goods. So I'm going to show you how you use a mortar. So right here I have some fennel, and these are the actual seeds themselves, and I'm going to put a little here. Why? Because I'm creating a sausage. I am making an Italian sausage, and I've already got my sage, rosemary, and all that good stuff in here, and a little bit of olive oil, and I like to let my meat sit. So instead of buying Italian sausage and ripping the meat out the casing, I make my own turkey Italian sausage. So you want to take your seeds and you want to place them in there, and what you do is you can do this and get them how you want, but the key to really getting them to crush is to circle it back and forth until you get the consistency that you desire, and that will be like breaking these up as much as you can. I would have already shown you the video of how I grind these to a powder with my coffee grinder, which is a lifesaver because I grind all my rosemary up really small to a powder. I could not find rosemary powder, and sometimes it's hard to find thyme powder for a good price, and so I actually purchased it in the actual seeds or the leaves, and I just grind them up, or I'll use this if need be. Because I like to use fennel in different type of ways, I didn't want to grind all of it up, so what I'm doing is just mashing it, and that's what you do, back and forth, circles. It's up to you, long as you see the consistency change, and see it starting to change. It's not looking like full seeds, and you got to give it some pressure. You got to give it some pressure and get in there. And this is another way to mix seasonings as well. I mix a lot of seasoning this way, and getting them incorporated. So this is how you use a mortar. Please share with friends and family. And I'm sure a lot of you did not know what this was for. You just seen it on people's kitchen counters for aesthetics, and I like to use my stuff, and I like to be functional with the stuff I use, not just for aesthetics or to look cute. So yeah, and the more that you grind it, the more that it becomes like a powdered consistency. I don't want it too powdered, but I do want it thinner than the seed, and you can see the difference in the full seed and what I have here. So all right guys, talk to me in the comments. I talk back, and I will see you guys later, gators.